Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Engaging with AWS Audit Resources. Engaging with AWS Audit Resources is an essential aspect of ensuring compliance and trust within the AWS environment. Given the increasing reliance on cloud services, organizations must implement robust audit mechanisms to safeguard their data and operations. AWS provides a suite of tools and resources specifically designed to facilitate audit processes, ensuring that businesses can maintain compliance with various regulatory requirements and industry standards. AWS CloudTrail is one of the primary services designed to assist with auditing AWS account activity. By enabling CloudTrail, organizations can record AWS API calls, which include details about who made the call, when it was made, the source IP address, and the actions taken. These logs are invaluable for security analysis, resource change tracking, and compliance auditing. For instance, in the event of a security breach, CloudTrail logs can be used to trace unauthorized access or changes, providing a transparent and immutable record of events. In addition to CloudTrail, AWS Config plays a critical role in auditing and compliance. AWS Config provides detailed information about the configuration of AWS resources, including how they are related to one another and how they have changed over time. This continuous monitoring and recording of configurations help organizations ensure that their resources comply with internal policies and external regulations. For example, AWS config rules can automatically check the configurations recorded by AWS Config against desired configurations, alerting administrators when resources are out of compliance. To ensure comprehensive compliance and trust, organizations often need to adhere to specific regulatory frameworks such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. AWS Audit Manager simplifies this process by automating the collection of evidence needed for audits. Audit Manager maps AWS resources to controls within these regulatory frameworks, significantly reducing the manual effort required to prepare for an audit. This automation not only saves time, but also enhances the accuracy and reliability of the audit evidence collected. A practical example of these audit resources in action is evident in the healthcare industry, where compliance with HIPAA is mandatory. Healthcare organizations can leverage AWS Config, CloudTrail, and Audit Manager to ensure that patient data is securely managed and that all activities involving protected health information are tracked and recorded. By doing so, these organizations can demonstrate compliance with HIPAA's stringent requirements, thereby avoiding potential fines and maintaining patient trust. Moreover, the integration of AWS Security Hub with these audit resources provides a centralized view of security and compliance status across an AWS environment. Security Hub aggregates and prioritizes findings from various AWS services, including CloudTrail, Config, and third-party security solutions. This consolidated view enables organizations to quickly identify and respond to potential security issues, further enhancing their compliance posture. For instance, if Security Hub detects a misconfigured security group that exposes sensitive data, it can trigger an alert, allowing administrators to remediate the issue promptly. Statistics underscore the importance of utilizing these AWS audit resources. According to a report by Gartner, organizations that adopt a proactive approach to compliance and risk management are 50% more likely to avoid security breaches and regulatory penalties. This highlights the critical role that audit resources play in maintaining a secure and compliant cloud environment. Furthermore, a survey conducted by the Ponemon Institute found that companies with automated audit processes experienced a 25% reduction in the time and cost associated with compliance activities. In addition to the technical benefits, the use of AWS audit resources fosters a culture of transparency and accountability within organizations. By maintaining detailed records of all actions and changes within the AWS environment, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to ethical practices and regulatory compliance. This not only builds trust with customers and stakeholders, but also enhances the organization's reputation in the market. For example, a financial institution that can show a clear audit trail of all transactions and security measures is more likely to gain the confidence of its clients and regulators. In conclusion, engaging with AWS audit resources is a crucial component of ensuring compliance and trust in the AWS environment. Services such as AWS CloudTrail, AWS Config, and AWS Audit Manager provide the necessary tools to track, monitor, and report on the use of AWS resources, enabling organizations to meet regulatory requirements and maintain high standards of security and accountability. By leveraging these resources, organizations can not only reduce the risk of non-compliance and security breaches, but also build a robust framework for transparency and trust. As the reliance on cloud services continues to grow, the importance of effective audit mechanisms will only increase, making AWS audit resources an indispensable part of any organization's compliance strategy. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.